Hey guys, I'm Bruce Foster with the Big Ben Group at Coldwell Banker Hartung. Welcome to Tallahassee's newest subdivision. This is Summerfield. Summerfield is built by Arbor Properties. And Arbor Properties has been around for about 7 decades here in Tallahassee, and they've built thousands of single-family homes here. What's so special about Summerfield is that it has amazing amenities, such as a community pool, a community park, farmland, walking trails. It really encompasses all amenities that somebody would want here in Tallahassee. These homes here range from about 1,650 square feet to about 2,000 square feet. And that price point hits right at about $270,000 and $310,000. The homes themselves are single-family, single-story homes with open floor plans. I hope you guys enjoy this video tour, and I can't wait for you guys to check it out. See you guys later. We are now here in the Ella floor plan at Summerfield. This floor plan is a beautiful 1-story open concept and has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. In the kitchen, you will find high-end granite countertops, backsplash, luxury appliances, and beautiful pendants over the island. I'm so glad our friends over at Arbor Communities asked us to check out their newest subdivision. If you have any questions about the Ella or any of the other 4 models here at Summerfield, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out at thebigbengroup.com. See you guys soon.